over on page 4, we just assume the opposite of what we're trying to prove. So remember, we don't do the given. So we're going to assume angle B is congruent to angle E. Then we would go from there. Okay, number 15. That's similar to the true and false one we have, a little bit more involved here. So first off, I want to find the biggest side it can be. So I go 24 plus 29. So that would be 63. No, 53. So I know my side X has to be less than 53. If it's 53, it's not a triangle. Now we also have to look at, well, what happens if my third side isn't my biggest side? That will make 29 my biggest side. So if I go 29 minus 4, I know my third side has to be bigger than 5. So I've got to be in between 5 and 53. Number 16, we're told y to w is a perpendicular bisector of ZT. So automatically we know ZW and WT, they're the same. We know T to W is 3. So that means Z to W is 3. And we're told X to Z is 12. And we want to find X to Y. Oh, I forgot to put down Y to W is 8. I was going to say, otherwise I wouldn't be able to do that problem. Now, if we trace that triangle that we're looking for that side, I've got a right triangle here. And so I can use my Pythagorean theorem. I know X to W is 15. So I know that's 15. And since I've got a right angle at W, I know 8 squared plus 15 squared equals xy squared. Or 64 plus 225 equals xy squared. 64 plus 225 is 289 equals xy squared. And then take the square root of both sides. X to y is 17. Here we have another hinge problem on number 17. Notice we've got these sides the same with the 6's in them and with the 8's in them. And then I look at my angles, or my sides, with x plus 20. And let me shoot that across. So x plus 20 is across from 84 degrees. 3x plus 10 is across from 110. So I know x plus 20 must be less than 3x plus 10. Now we're just going to solve that inequality. Minus 3x from both sides and minus 20 from both sides. We get negative 2x is less than 90. Oh, try that again. That's not 90, that's a 10. Sorry about that. Negative 10. So I divide both sides by negative 2. X is greater than 5 is what we should have for that question.